If you're wondering how to make up to an extra $1,000 a day, stick around and I'll show you how. Alright guys, thanks for sticking around. As always, before we can keep going, make sure to like and subscribe and hit that bell notification down below so you can keep up with all the coming content. Now, let's get into it. Alright, first off, these are in no particular order, so I'm just gonna go ahead and just choose them at random, throw them at you at random. So the first one that I want to talk about is Amazon, and Amazon has two different options that you can go for. The first one is Amazon MTurks. Amazon MTurks is, for those who are not familiar with it, it is a web-based platform where businesses and individuals outsource jobs that computers can't do, that people can do. So jobs like transcribing audio from other languages, or transcribing video from other languages, or editing audio, other sorts of jobs that you will see on there. The jobs only require you to have a computer, and you can do them from the comfort of your home. These are active sources of income, so you are required to put in some effort to get money. So that work you put in is the amount of money you get out. But you could easily go ahead and make $20 to $30 an hour doing these jobs while at home. So this is not something that you need to quit your job to do. You can do them whenever you have spare time. So it is very easy to get paid by Amazon. You do have a minimum amount. I think it's $10 before you can get a direct deposit. If you're in the US, you can get it directly deposited into your bank account. If you are not in the US, there are two options for you. You can get an Amazon gift card, which can be spent on Amazon, so you can buy other products with it. Or you could get a check sent to you. These options are also available to people in the US, but for people outside of the US, you are limited to these two options at the current moment. Alright, the next option from Amazon is Kindle. So again, for those of you who are not familiar with the site, Kindle is a book platform. So an online book platform, you can read books, purchase books, and you can actually publish books on there. So you don't actually have to write the book yourself. You can actually have someone else do it, and you can publish it online for them. That's up to you to figure out how that's gonna work. But in terms of the money side, Amazon handles that completely free. So once you have the book ready to be published, you can put it on the platform completely free. Amazon handles the money, and you can sit back and relax while your money flows in. If that is something that you want to find out more about, or you want more information about, just let me know in the comments, and I can set up a separate video explaining the basics of Kindle and how to use it. Alright guys, with this next one, if you think you're good with digital media, let's say photography, or at least you think you can be good with photography, Shutterstock is a great option for you. For those of you who don't know about Shutterstock, Shutterstock is an online platform where you can buy and sell digital media. So music, video, and pictures. To make money on there, you continually upload high quality content, and people buy that content. As more and more people buy your content, you earn commissions from each purchase. So commissions can range from a couple cents to a few dollars per purchase. So the more high quality content you upload, the more money comes into your bank account. Alright guys, a third option for you is YouTube. YouTube is a great option because the earnings potential is unlimited. There has been an increased barrier for entry as a lot of people are trying to do this. So in order to monetize your videos, you need to have, within 12 months, 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers on your channel. Once you reach that point, all your videos can be monetized. So as more people watch, the more money goes into your bank account. What's great is as your following grows, because you're producing high quality content, you have the opportunity to have paid subscriptions by companies. So what will happen is, normally when you're around 5,000 subscribers, companies will reach out to you to have advertisements on your videos. And that adds another opportunity to earn more money. So create high quality content on YouTube and you're gonna see results. All right, another option for you guys is Patreon. So Patreon is a site where Patreons get to support content creators. So content creators are video creators, photographers, music creators, etc. So if you are already creating content and you need a little bit more support to continue providing high quality content, this is a great site for you. So essentially this can come in the form of $1, $5, $10, $20 per Patreon. And each one entails a different thing. So with $1 and $5, it could be extra access or extra content. With the $10, it could be early access to content. With $20, it could be behind the scenes footage as well as early access. All the details are explained further in Patreon. And the great thing about it is it's completely free. And you get to keep 90% of the funding from the Patreon. So this is a great site, again, for those of you creating content. Rover is a great space for you if you love dogs, or you love cats, or you love them both. It's a platform where you can sign up as a sitter, but it's not limited to just sitting. There are many options for you to take care of pets and pretty much just spend time with them. On this platform, you can make from $80 to $100 a day per animal. So this is a great space for you if you enjoy being with pets and you want to make money doing it. So guys, thank you for sticking around. Thank you for watching the video. Again, like and subscribe to the video and hit that bell notification down below so you can keep up with the coming content. If you have any more comments, or if you want me to do another video on more options for you to make that extra money, hit me in the comments too.